Welcome back. Well, a term that they use in concerning forex is the smallest amount. What, as you can see here, it's like 110.36.1. So the smallest number here. They use the term tick for it, just to tell what you're dealing and how much. So what you're dealing for is the last number. Nobody's buying just €1 to make what, 0.003 cents. That's not a gain. So one contract, that's what we're speaking about. One contract is an equivalent to 100,000 US dollar or euro. And now if the number goes from 110 to 111, you are with you are dealing with $1,000, an equivalent to $100,000. And then if it goes 1 cent up, that means you are gaining $1,000. If it's falling 1 cent, you are losing $1,000. Now the risk is nobody's, of course, lending you the 100,000. It's just an equivalent, because it's impossible that, for example, from one moment to the other, to lose 100,000 means that you had the euro had to fall from 1 maybe to 0.001 whatever to lose 100,000, which is impossible. So you can't lose whatever happens normally now more than you have. And if this is too big for you, then you can place an order for 0.1 contract, which means that instead of for 1 cent here gaining 1,000, that means you gain or lose 100. And if even this is too big for you, you can place an order for 0.01. So instead of 1,000, not 100, that's $10. So you have here 5 numbers beyond the comma. So the 3 last one means it's $3.67. And this isn't really much. And well, the good thing is with forex, you can, if you're just dealing these small amounts like 0.01, you can make like if you make a stop loss at a very small amount like 50 cents, you can deal almost twice a day and lose this 50 cent, and then it's an equivalent almost to losing $100 in trading all the year, because it's impossible almost to have no strategy. You must have no strategy and be so unlucky to lose every time. So you will gain sometimes and lose sometimes, but you have the ability here to gain so much experience based on trading so often. And you can do this with no other asset, because you have a high fluctuation here. I mean, here, normally, as you can see here in this pair, the volatility is just 1 block here. And this is equivalent to 2 cents. So this would mean that you would lose like $10. But as you don't expect and you don't wait so long. So if you're dealing with the last 3 figures, so the last 3 ticks, this means you're not losing even $1, and you have to look how big is the volatility with 1 candle. And maybe here, what is this here? Let's see here, from 656 to 6, okay, will be 3. And I mean, you can, if you have good strategy, then you can place a stop loss, and you say that like I'm willing only to lose 50 cents, and then you can make many deals. And you can of course change the time here. Let's say you take 1 hour, and let's see how the volatility goes. So like 1 small candle here from 4, that's 50 cents exactly. 1 small candle that you are willing to sacrifice, and then you can wait for a signal, and then sometimes you will gain, sometimes you will lose, but this is the big opportunity that you have with euro US dollar.